Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see how can we get the insights from the opportunity history data by having the aim of maximizing win true. In our last video we saw we created the Einstein discovery story for maximizing the win true, and we predicted whether particular opportunity will win or not. If you haven't seen that video, you can see by clicking the link in the description given below. So in our last video, we created this story by having maximizing win true, and we saw the result in the opportunity detail page. What would be the prediction for the particular opportunity? In this video, we are going to see what are the different types of insights which is available for us after creating the Einstein discovery, and we are going to see the each of the insights in detail. Okay, so there are four types of insights are available. One is what happened, next why it happened, what could happen, and what is the difference. Okay, so what happened insights is the overview level of insights that we can get from our opportunity history data. Here we can see has open activity explains 30.2% of variation in one true. It means has open activity variable is having the highest predictive power in predicting one true opportunities. So if we see here, wherever opportunity is having has open activity, field value is false, it is having highest win percentage. It is having average of 74.12 opportunities, which comes under the has open activities false is won. So if you are seeing that has open activity true, it is having very less average of win opportunities. This is average percentage of win in the given data set. Like in our data set, 55.52 opportunity was win opportunities. Out of those 55.52 opportunities, average was high from the false category. So this variable is having the significant impact on our outcome variable one truth. And here whatever the text we are seeing here, this is called explanatory text. Okay, let me explain this in the slide. Same picture I have put it in the slide for giving the clear picture. So if we can see here, whatever they have written is here, it is called insight title, this is called insight summary, and this is called explanatory text. Whatever is explained under the green text, it is telling explanation for how we would have increased the outcome still. So it is telling already has open activities false is having 18.6 above the average, 18.6 above the average, but still we would have increased this outcome if has overdue task is false. This is another one field and value. Okay, and this whatever we are seeing under the red, this is telling why this percentage got reduced. Like whenever wherever has open activity is true, we are seeing the 40.28 percentage less from the average. So they are telling it might have worsened by the hash line item is true. So in this way we can get the overall picture of the how explanatory variable, that is nothing but has open activity, gave the variation in the outcome variable, that is nothing but one true. Okay, here we are comparing the outcome with the single variable, so we are calling it as the first order analysis. Okay, let's go back to the screen. Here if we can see, they are comparing by using the two variable, one is has open activity, another one is lead source is web. This is called second order analysis. We are predicting the outcome variable based on the two explanatory variable, that's why it is called second order analysis. Okay, so they are telling, when lead source is web and has open activity is true, it does better. Before we saw when has open activity is false, we are seeing the highest win rate. But here, if has open activity is true, also we are seeing the highest win rate, but when lead source is web. Here we can see like when has open activity is true and lead source is web, we are seeing the highest win percentage of opportunity. But during the other lead source, we are having very less win percentage. So this is called a second order analysis. Like that, we can get the overall view of our insights from the what happened insights. There are different way charts are created based on the different explanatory variables. Okay. So next, let's see why it happened. Why it happened gives us the deep level analysis or deep level insights of our opportunity history data. Here, for example, we can see we already saw if has open activity is false, we are seeing the highest opportunity that is winning. So why it happened? Here we can see how has open activity is false along with the other factors. It caused the highest amount of winning opportunity. So here we need to minimize the screen, then only it will show in big. So for that purpose, we need to select the has open activity false. We already saw has open activity is false. If opportunity is having this field value, it is having highest win. So it is this is waterfall chart. Whatever we saw in the what happened, that is bar chart. Whatever we are seeing in the why it happened, it is called waterfall chart. Here we can see has opened activity along with other values, how we to become the highest win percentage, highest win average. Global average of opportunity that one is 56. But the average of opportunity which is having has open activities false, which one is 74 percentage. So how it became from the 54 to 74 percentage? Here it is explaining like when has open activity, when opportunity is having has open activities false, that alone is having 7.4 percentage of win opportunities. Here when has open activities false is combined with has over due task is false, it gave this much percentage. Like that, it these many variables along with the has open activity false caused this much percentage. Let's see it here. So whatever we saw first has open activity is false, that is without combining any other input variable. This is by combining the has open activity is false with the other variables, that variable name is written here. So this is how we can see deep level view of how explanatory variable affected our outcome variable. So next, let's see the why. What is the difference? Insights. What is the difference insights which is used for seeing the outcome variable performance by putting two different explanatory variable? Like we can see how outcome variable is performing when we are putting account sources employee referral, and how it is performing when we are putting account source as partner. Let's select this. Account sources employee referral and account sources partner. So when account sources employee referral, it is having the highest win percentage, that 60 percentage of opportunities winning. But if account sources partner, then we are seeing only 53 percentage of opportunity which is winning. So in between, here we can see why is this reduction from the 60 to 53 percentage. Means when partner is combined with has line item is true, it is showing 1.9 percentage less win percentage. When partner is combined with has over due task is true, it is giving minus 0.64 win average. Like that, it got reduced from the 60 percentage to the 53 percentage. This is how we can check how our outcome variable performed compared to the two explanatory variable. Okay, so till now we saw how it was the history data, how our opportunity history data is that we compared with the explanatory variable and outcome variable and we saw the result. What if we need to predict the future? For that purpose we are having what could happen. So whatever we are seeing in the left side, this is nothing but input variable that we selected while creating the Einstein discovery. Input variable or explanatory variable, we can tell whatever. So by setting different value to this input variable, we can see what could be the outcome. Like if opportunity is having the has open activities false, and along with these values, if it is having, then this opportunity will win. It is predicting. So what is the positive factor for the prediction? It is explained here, means has open activities having value of false. That's why it will win, it's telling. Here we can see the in detailed description of waterfall chart of why it will win. Baseline, by average 48% of the opportunities will win, but has open activities false is having, so 4.3% is adding extra. Again, the expected impact of other field is 21%, so totally it is having the 77% it is going to win. That's why it is telling this opportunity will win. Let's try by putting some other values. Has open activity is true, and has open task is true. So some opportunity which is having as open activity is true, and overdue task also is having true. In this condition, whether this opportunity will win or not, if you are going to predict, it is telling false. This one will not win. So this is how we can predict the future opportunity, whether it will win or not. So this is about the 4 different kind of insights that Einstein discovery will tell after creating. If any doubts, let me know in the comments. I will explain, because there are a lot of things are there, you may get confused. Thanks for watching video.